Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you're new here, my name is Sandy and on this channel we talk about pursuing a career in interior design and I give you home decor tips. Today's video is on the home decor side of things. I am talking to you about some beautiful alternatives to some normally ugly ass shit. Keep on watching if you want to know more. Ceiling fans. Ooh, do I have a bone to pick with ceiling fans. If people never needed ceiling fans, I would put just a pretty light fixture in every single room. I wish I could do that. But people get hot and they like air circulation and they don't always want to turn on the AC. So I scoured the internet looking for much more attractive items and found a couple of options that I was like, okay, I could live with this. I would not croak over and die if I had to put this in someone's house. The first one is a ceiling fan that has an acrylic blade. So 3 acrylic blades and it's gold. And I thought that was so pretty. I've actually seen this one in person. A friend of mine who's a designer, she had me photograph the space for her because I also do interior photography. And I was like, ooh girl, what's that? What is that? That is so pretty. She's like, oh my God, I got it from Wayfair. It looks really good. I was like, oh, I love it. I love it. So I definitely want to share it with you guys. I love how the blades like disappear when it's like spinning. The next ceiling fan I found comes in 3 different finishes, I believe white, black, and nickel. This one is sleek and it has a light. However, the light doesn't like hang down and like bulbous like the ceiling fans that we're normally used to that have like the pull here for the light, pull here for the fan. Just get a remote. I cannot stand those. So it's like one big tube and the light is just kind of super compact inside it and the blades are nice and sleek and not dated looking. So this one, if I had to go to someone's house, I'd be okay. This next ceiling fan doesn't have a light, so you're definitely gonna need to have other light sources in the room if you're going to get this one. But it was a half between like modern and a little slightly more on the traditional side. So the blades are wood, but they're super sleek and finish off at like a kind of like a rectangular square end the way they finish. And it's just the motor part, obviously, which is more of a metallic finish. And then there's different wood tones. So it's like a darker wood and a lighter wood. And you can use that as your ceiling fan instead of, again, the ugly traditional ones. I thought this was a nice mix between a slightly more traditional one and a modern one, even though overall I would say this does lean a bit more modern, but it has a remote so it doesn't have those annoying pull. They look like udders to me. Just which I hate those cords. I never know which one is which. This fourth one is super minimal, all white, very low profile, and it has no light in it. So similar to the other ones, except just no light, all white, and doesn't have like that chrome finish or black or nickel or gold or whatever at the top. Just very, very sleek. Probably great for someone who has like a Scandinavian vibe even, or just someone who has a minimal vibe. This is your ceiling fan. This last ceiling fan I found on Wayfair, and I love that it's gold because I love me some gold, but it has different color blades. So it has like a wood grain texture for all of them, but it's like a gold motor. And then there's the blades that are different wood colors. So there's like a white one, a light wood, a black, a dark wood. And I thought that was really beautiful for anyone who's doing a kind of mixed style where they're doing metals and woods. That concludes today's video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, okay? It really helps the algorithm a lot. Hit that subscribe button, commit to me, okay? If you like it, then you need to subscribe to it. This is my ring, and I don't actually need a ring from you guys. What I need is for you to hit that subscribe button. Commit to this channel. You're out here, you're playing the field. Come on.